Yo, what's up? This is Found for 퓨전엠씨. Yo, what's up? I'm Found from 퓨전엠씨 and Unleashed crew, and this is my handstand tutorial. Okay, before you learn the handstand, it's good to stretch your wrists and arms. One of the most important things of the handstand is the way you grip the ground. So, use your fingers and grip the ground. One way to test your grip strength is to have you or your friend grab your wrist and pull your hand. If you move like this, that's no good. Before you can pull the handstand, you have to get into a handstand. Here is the first handstand entrance you should learn. Place your hands on the ground and kick up into the air. Start low and then slowly work your way into a handstand. And then come back down onto your feet. Do your best to hold the handstand for at least 1 or 2 seconds before you come back down to your feet. Next, make some goals like 1 second, 5, 10, 15, 30, and so on. Okay, arm position. Generally, when your arms are more wide and bent, it takes away from the difficulty of balancing at first. If your body's higher, it's easier to fall over. And as you get better, bring your arms together and keep them straight. When doing the handstand, you might move around a bit. To fix this, keep your body strong and remember to grip the ground. When you first start learning, walking around is okay. However, keep your movement to a minimum and eventually you will stay in one position. Okay, the two most basic leg positions are straight together and wide open. When you first start learning, those are the two positions you need to learn. My goal for you is that you have control in any position you want. But first, you have to learn one of the basic positions. So, how do you get control? Practice. Choose one position and call that home. Every time you move, walk, or shake, do your best to come back to home. As you keep practicing, coming back to home, eventually you'll be in home the whole time. And that is the goal. Okay, now you can do one position, but now it's time to learn all of them. For B-boys, B-girls, and other movement-based art forms, we need control in various leg and arm positions. Really, it's the same thing, but every leg position is your new home. Here are some basic leg positions you can try. Try holding each position for a few seconds. Strength and control are very important, but so is mobility, especially for B-boys and B-girls. Lastly, try to walk in a handstand with control. Okay, and that is it. As you can see, there are so many things you have to achieve for controlling your handstand. So be patient and continue to work hard. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Peace.